North Island Kamahina here. We're about ready to embark on the extraterrestrial highway. Except the real sign's gone. Looks like somebody hit it. Oh well, at least I had a backup. That's what the sign would look like if it was still here and not covered with a bunch of stickers like it usually is. So anyway, we're on our way to Rachel, Dilcia and I. Coming to frame, Dilcia. Hey shorty, are you ready for this?
Yes.
You're the
Go
one
see aliens.
Is that why you wanted to go to Rachel again after all these
I
years?
want to see how they look.
You just want to hop the fence and go to Area 51, don't you?
Yeah, I want to spy in there too.
No, I've got money. We'll bail you out. All right. Well, we'll head down the road and catch up with us. Let's see what we can find.
Okay. Looking like a museum there, but looking like close. Yeah.
Yeah, we were just starting off on our last 40 miles to Rachel and came across this. It's been a while since we've been here, and this is brand new. Another RV was in the area. People were trying to get to the museum itself, but apparently it's closed. Today's Saturday, so this is about as close as we're going to get. But Dilcia just was fascinated by the big alien.
Yeah, that Vegas is for that. If you want to find out about aliens, especially the Area 51.
Everything you could ever want to know about aliens is all confined in that building.
Everybody was thinking that Elliot Musk's circling south to the space, there was aliens yesterday. Did you see the pictures?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, rocket launch left a nice trail in the sky, and people were saying, "Oh my gosh, what is it? What is it? Could it be aliens? I don't know." Ooh. I dare you to hop the fence. Let's see how active security is today.
We go try our best.
Towards downtown Rachel. Here we go. Not a lot of traffic out here, of course. But then again, the aliens don't want to be seen. I think I'll crank it up to sport mode so we can move a little faster, and it forces the camera to angle down sharply. So be it. And what's down here? Some houses. We'll be stopping by the little alien in a while. Interesting that I'm getting a strong wind warning when it's calm. Don't think the drone likes being flown at an angle like I'm doing, so let's adjust. There we go. There it is, downtown. Recall from Wikipedia, the town has a population of about 300 people. It's also the closest point to Area 51. And just doing a circle around here. A nice little property with all the trees. This is the place to get away from it all, if that's your goal in life. I wouldn't mind spending the night here, but apparently out of 6 rooms that are available to rent for the night at the hotel, they are located in 3 buildings, and unless you rent the entire building, you have to share a bathroom with somebody. I gave up on those days after I retired from the military of sharing bathrooms. Not for me. drone full circle, come back to the car. We did have some rain over the summer. Things were green in September. Now things are starting to dry out again. Don't see any signs of recent flash flooding over the summer. You can see the washes though. Oops. Try not to move quickly. Let me slow down. Start my descent. There we are. I see Dilcia. Slow down. It's a purple alien. Oh my gosh, purple alien. Hey. I don't have my glasses on. Let's see if I can land this safely. No problem. We go 3, nope, not yet. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da. Okay, so the 9th Island Kamaina and Dilcia, we're about ready to sign off. But stay tuned because at the end of the video, I've got a couple of excerpts from drone footage I took earlier this week. Didn't have any place to put it. Thought I'd just stick it to the end of this video. And you can see even more remote places that I've been to. I hope you enjoy it. Leave some comments in the comment section or just send me an email. The link.
Subscribe, people. Please subscribe. Important. I want to see more videos.
Please subscribe.